Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for your support to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about solitude from the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. A devotee asked a question: if solitude is necessary for self-inquiry? Maharshi replied, there is solitude everywhere. Individual is solitary always. His business is to find it out within and not seek it without. Second question: the workaday world is distracting. Maharshi replied, do not allow yourself to be distracted. Inquire for whom there is distraction. It will not afflict you after a little practice. Third question: even the attempt is impossible. Maharshi replied, make it and it will be found not so difficult. Next question: but the answer do not come for the search inward. Maharshi replied, the inquirer is the answer, and no other answer can come. What comes afresh cannot be true. What always is true. Next question: the path of realization is difficult. Worldly matters are easy of understanding, whereas this is not. Yes, the mind always seeks external knowledge, leaving aside its own inner knowledge.